Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. We'll talk about Go language today. Go is most promising language mentioned in JetBrains survey. This is the survey done by JetBrains 2019. They found that Go is most promising language, where Java is most popular primary language, JavaScript is overall programming language, Python is most studied language. Why we learn Go? Number one, it is simple, easy to learn. Number two, build scalable, efficient software. Number three, we can develop cloud, network service, web service, command line utility, backend services. Number four, Go is used by tech giants like Uber, Netflix, Dropbox, Docker, Kubernetes, and many more. This is the site for Go developer where different sections are mentioned. This site also includes one playground where developer can try their Go program and execute them. Now, in between, you can have a question. Why new language? The reason behind it, adding new requirements like support of concurrency, making older languages super complex. That's the reason. Now we'll try to set up Go in our local system. The instructions are mentioned here. The instructions are very simple. First, we have to download Go based on our web. Then we have to just install that. We can verify whether Go is successfully installed or not by the command Go version. This is the time to write our first Go program. Let's go to VS Code. Now I will create the file as a name main.go. Let's copy the hello world program from the Go site. We'll paste it here. We'll save. Let's change it to hello Go. Now we'll run the Go program. The command will be go run main.go. It will execute the Go program. Congratulations, you have written your first Go program. The first line we have written package main. That means the program is exists inside package main. Then we have written import fmt. Fmt is another package and we are using this package in our program. If we go to this package section, then we will find FMT package. This is a standard library developed by Go team. And we will find documentations and the different functions. Now, this is our main function. Function is started with func keyword. Main, we have written fmt.println hello world. So we are using println function from fmt package. This function we are using from fmt package to print our string in the console. Now we will talk about data type. Similarly, here we are importing two packages, fmt along with reflect package. We are declaring the variable I of type integer. Like other programs, first we mention type of the variable, then the name of the variable. But in Go, we mention first name of the variable, then type of the variable. That's the difference here. And now we are printing the value of I here, fmt.println. Here we are mentioning type of the variable statically. Is this possible in Go to declare dynamic type? Yes, this is possible. Here we have written var j equals to 10. And we are printing j. We haven't mentioned the type of the variable j. This will automatically be identified by Go. Here we are using one short form k colon equals to 12. This combines two lines. declaration and initialization. This is similar as where k int then k equals to 12. Just two lines. This is the short form of declaring dynamic type. Here we are defining mixed type A, B, C, where A, B are integer and C is string. The type will be automatically be identified by Go. Here we are printing the type of J. Now we'll run the program. Go run main.go. We are printing. Here we are getting 0, the value of I. The default value of integer is 0. Then we are getting 10, value of j. Then we are getting 12, value of k. Then we are getting 3, 4, 4, a, b, c. And we are getting type of j is integer. That is automatically identified by Go. So Go is statically typed language and also dynamically typed language.